any dreams of being an NFL quarterback? Because I got to tell you, Mud Sr., I heard stories about how well you could handle the football. The best ball handler at quarterback. The fakes, the handoffs, textbook. Describe yourself as a quarterback.
The stories get better as the years go on. You know, that's for sure. So I was a decent quarterback. I was kind of grew up with your dad, Tony Verducci, and as a JV, as a sophomore, he was our JV coach, and then my junior year as a third-year student, he became the head football coach. So I was with him under him as a head coach for 2 years. Some of the coaches that we played against called me the best faker, and I had a knack of handling the ball well and moving the ball around. And had one incident with faking where it worked against us in our game with Bloomfield. I faked the ball to the fullback and gave it to the halfback, who went on to run for a touchdown, but the referees thought I gave it to the fullback, and they whistled the play dead, and the touchdown was called back. So, but I was not a good passer. I was too small, but we were mostly a running team anyway. So.
Thanks for giving up my source, by the way, my dad. But I'm being honest. And when I was growing up, I heard the stories about how well you could handle the football. So I was always impressed knowing that.